Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to activate Hey Google option into your Cubot X19s. First step, go into Google application, and then on the bottom we got Google options, so click to more and go into settings. Then choose voice option here, and in the voice option we got voice match, so click it and click here to turn on Hey Google. Click. Access your assistant, click next, agree to voice match, I agree, and now Hey Google option is activated. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.